Tuesday, 10th of September 2024. We've just turned left off of Thompson Mill, north of Buford. We're on Georgia Highway 13, Buford Highway. Look at that new stadium they're building for the high school. It's a huge high school. Like a federal penitentiary. My gracious. We're headed south. 70 degrees, going to about 85. I haven't posted hardly any driving videos lately. I've been sort of burnt out. I'm slamming a couple up this morning off the phones, but Buford City Hall. Buford used to be just a little spot in the road. It says Atlanta speedometer is 9 minutes from us. It's 10:15. We'll turn in the Hardee's up here and see if we can get a Hardee's on the corner of Georgia 20 and Georgia 13. We're going to drop this instrument cluster out of the van off. Hopefully they'll get it fixed and back to me tomorrow. That'll be Wednesday, and maybe we can take off for South Georgia Thursday or Friday for 3 or 4 days. I haven't been in so long, and I haven't done anything. Got to get out. Working on cars. What y'all doing over there? What in the world they doing over there? I don't know, I'm not sure they know what they're doing over there. I guess they do. Rick Hendrick Chevrolet. Not sure which way we're going to go back. Duluth is 11, what to say, Atlanta 34. We're going to go back a different way though. We're not going back Thompson Mill. Top of the hill, if the Hardee's is still open, in line's not too long, we'll swing in and get us a bite. Gas, $2.94. I saw it $2.70 something yesterday somewhere. Maybe $2.79, I don't know, but I saw it $2.70 something. We're going to turn in up there at that Hardee's, so let's go ahead and turn it off, or we won't be sitting here at this light. Okay, pick it up, going through the intersection at Georgia 20. 20 is Lawrenceville to the left, Buford to the right. assistant shows 9/10 of a mile turning right on Woodward Mill. It's 10:30. I was thinking we're over here in Buford. We may go to the lake. Get some video, but we'll figure that out in a little bit. Heading south on Buford Highway, Georgia 13. Where are all these people coming from? And this isn't just outside 285 either, the perimeter. This is everywhere. This is all over Georgia. People are paying $300,000 plus for these things. $400,000 plus, depending on the location. We need to get away for a few days. We need to get away bad. We need to get out to the wildlife management area and camp out with the critters. Get away from all these people.